Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create a very beautiful Diwali look. So let's get started. So first we clean our face with wet wipes so that all the dirts will come out. Then I am applying moisturizer. You can choose any of your favorite moisturizer and gently prep your skin because this step is really important. Then I am applying a sunscreen. You can use any choice of your sunscreen and gently apply all over your face and neck so it blends very well and there's no white cast. Then I'm taking my eyebrow pencil and just fill my eyebrows. I am using this brown shade because my eyebrows are a little bit lighter and also thicker, so don't need to fill out a lot more product. Then take a brush of any of your choice of eyebrow brush and smudge out the excess product on your eyebrows so they looks natural. Then let's start our eye makeup. So gently I'm using this concealer, Blue Heaven concealer, and take a small amount of concealer and apply on your lid and just blend it very well so it will create a base for your eyes. It's really important so that our eyes shadows color will pop out very well. And then I'm using this compact powder so to set our eye. Now let's move on to our eye makeup. So take any of eyeshadow brush and take a dark pink shade of your eyeshadow and gently apply it all over your lid and blend it really well. Make sure you blend really well so it will create a very subtle look. Then take a light brown dark eyeshadow and gently apply it on your lower lid and blend it really well. Then take a dark brown of eyeshadow or a black eyeshadow to just dab on your outer lid and blend it really well so it will create a smoky sort of effect. I'm doing both on same, so blend it really well and then gently blend it really well so it will blend all over on your eyes and create a very beautiful smoky effect. Then take a golden eyeshadow and gently create a crease on your lower eyelid so it will create a very creasy and very beautiful golden shimmery look and blend it with your outer corner eyeshadow so it will merge all over and blend it really well. Take a same eyeshadow brush and gently apply it on your lower lash line lid so it will merge and look very beautiful. Then I am taking this eye white kajal and gently apply it on your lower lash lid to it will create a very big eye sort of effect. Then I am taking this eyeliner pen to create a wing eyeliner. You can choose any type of eyeliner do you like. I like very like sort of a winged eyeliner so I'm using this. Actually I am creating a sort of cat eye eyeliner so that's why I am draw like this bit of wing in outer corner of eyes and bit of in inner corner of eyes and make sure your eyeliner will both on same. Then I'm taking a concealer and gently applied on your all over affected area and blend it really well with fingers. I love blending with fingers because it blends very smoothly and very well all over. Then I am taking Blue Heaven foundation and also white tone cream. It's my personal choice to mix a little bit of white tone cream with our foundation, so it will give a very shiny or very pinkish sort of base to our makeup. And gently dab on all over your face and apply with finger, blend it with finger all over your face and your neck area, your forehead area. Blend it really well. Just blend with your finger, then blend all over your face. Now I am taking this sponge, this beauty blender, and gently dab on all over my face or neck area, and then with this foundation brush, so it blends very smoothly and releases no any spot. Then I am taking a loose powder to set my base. Then I am taking bronzer to just shape out my face and basically hide a little bit of my face fat, and blending with my finger. Then I am taking the same bronzer to just apply on my jawline and blend it very finger, so with finger, so it will give very sharp look to my face. Then I am applying blush to on my cheeks, little bit of my nose and chin area, and then I am applying highlighter, so it will shine a lot in a night because it's a Diwali look. So basically uh, shine is must. Shine is really important. Now the makeup is almost done. Let's apply a lip liner. I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade of purple or pinkish shade. Gently fill your lips with lip liner and smudge it really well. Then I am taking this red lipstick and apply on my lips. Oh my god, this, look at this beautiful shade. Wow, I just love it. Now the makeup is complete. I think I should open my ears and apply bindi. So I am applying this bindi. Maybe this suits not well, but okay, let's change the outfit then come. Now this is my outfit, and I'm removing my bindi because it suits not well with my outfit. Now it's jewelry time, so I'm taking these earrings, big earrings. Basically all the jewelries in this video is from Misho. If you want, I will show the link. Now I am applying basic bindi, I mean plain bindi, so it will match with my dupatta or my outfit. Now this is the final look. I have also nuts, so I just wanted to wear it, but I wear my nose pin, that's why it's impossible right now. Now this is my final look. Do let me how's the makeup turned out, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is my final look. I will change my hairstyle with juda. My husband says that you look really good with juda. So if you like the video, do let me on comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I need support. Thanks to watching video. Bye bye, take care, मिलते हैं next